In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. If you want to use two apps at once on this Samsung, here's how. First, pick an app you want to use on the top half of your screen and launch it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it at the top and select Open in split screen view. Then tap on the second app and enjoy using both at once. If you want to, you can click on those three dots in the middle and tap on those two arrows to switch places of your apps. And now my favorite feature, you can tap on this star next to two arrows, and if you like this apps combination in split screen view, you can save it on your home screen by clicking on home screen in the pop-up. So now when I go back, I can tap on this shortcut to always use my apps in split screen view. If you want to get rid of this shortcut, hold it and tap on remove. If you wish to close split screen view, you can either swipe it in the background, or to leave one of your apps open, hold those dots in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!